Honorable Speaker, I wish to second the motion that this House approves the appointment of Mr. Nurdin Mohammed Haji as the Director General of the National Intelligence Service. Honorable Speaker, as has been said by my chairman, the committee paid due regard to the procedures used to arrive at the nominee, having met all the constitutional and statutory requirements relating to the Office of the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, and suitability of the nominee for the appointment proposed, having regard to whether the nominee's abilities, experience, and qualities meet the needs of the agency. Honorable Speaker, upon conclusion of the approval hearings, we scrutinized the personal, academic, and career background of the nominee, and we are fully convinced that he fits the role of the Director General of National Intelligence Service. Indeed, we established that the nominee, Mr. Nurdin Mohammed Haji, meets the requirements of Chapter 6 of the Constitution on Leadership and Integrity, having been cleared from the following statutory bodies: the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, the Kenya Revenue Authority, the Director of Criminal Investigations, Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, and the Higher Education Loan Board, and all of them gave a clean bill of health. 2, the nominee complies with the Section 81B of the National Intelligence Service Act, whereby he meets all the requirements pertaining to the appointment of the Office of the Director General. That the nominee has held the following positions and in total has had a career spanning over 18 years in the public service, most of it having been performed at the National Intelligence Service at senior levels. Honorable Speaker, the nominee has not been charged in any court of law, and therefore this also informed us on his suitability. The nominee does not hold any office in a political party, and that also was a requirement of the schedule to the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approvals Act. Honorable Speaker, during the approval hearing, the nominee demonstrated knowledge of topical, administrative, and technical issues touching on the government, and has thus the requisite abilities, qualifications, and experience to serve as the Director General of the National Intelligence Service. During the approval hearings, we received